Hi formulators, today we are going to be making a facial moisturizer from the very scratch to finish without using fire. Yes, it's totally possible, and the magic behind this method is a secret ingredient I'm going to be telling you much later in this video. Normally, when making moisturizers, you would have to separately heat your water phase, then your oil phase, and then combine them and then allow to cool, then add your cool phase. But for this method, there is absolutely no need to heat any single ingredient in this product. Now, what this means is you must have carefully selected ingredients that are water soluble. That is what I like to use, and I also do not like to use ingredients that will require me to have to melt them on fire. Now, let me tell you about the advantage of using this method. Aside the fact that it makes your product more effective, it is cost effective, it is very fast, it saves electricity, it makes the texture of your product even more lightweight, and a lot of beautiful results that you will see from using this particular method. Now, I'm currently working on my water phase, which consists of my aqua. Aqua can be the combination of your hydrosol, your extract, your water. I would make sure I give a proper structure to follow on how to produce this particular product at the end of this video. I also added my humectant, my chelating agent, and my thickener. Now, depending on the kind of thickener you're using, depends on how you disperse it into your product. Take, for example, if you're using your Sepigel mask, then you could literally sprinkle it on your water phase and leave it to hydrate for a few minutes. Or if you're using zeytin gum, carboma, you could literally add those in your humectant and then disperse into your water phase. I also added my active shield to help prevent the quick oxidation of my actives. Then another thing you want to avoid adding is ingredients that would have to require you to use heat. Example is your allantoin. Allantoin sometimes do not dissolve until it gets heat. Because this method does not require you to use heat, you must always ensure all your powders are properly dispersed evenly without any lumps, so that it doesn't stress you later on in the formulation. Hence me having to pound that powder so there won't be any lump. So here is the mixture of my thickener plus glycerin so as to help to properly disperse it into my water phase. And I'm going to leave that to hydrate for a bit and then blend it into a smooth texture. At first, it might look like the process doesn't make any sense, but trust me, by the time we are done, the result is going to wow you. Kindly ensure your thickeners are properly dispersed and blended into your water phase to avoid any lumps later on in the formulation. Then proceed to measuring your oil phase. Always ensure to keep your oil phase below 15% in order to avoid separation and also not to make the product overly heavy. Remember, we are targeting an extremely lightweight facial product. The moment you add your oil phase, you see your product start forming like lotion. This is totally normal, and we have not even added our super secret ingredient I told you guys at the beginning of this video. Right now, the product might look like it has already formed lotion, but trust me, once I stop stirring and leave it for a while, it is going to separate back, because this is literally just oil and water being mixed together in a jar. Once well blended, we proceed to measuring the super secret ingredient I told you guys about at the beginning of this video, and it is none other but Sepigel 305. Now, this is the ingredient that is going to bind our oil and water phase together. Now, this ingredient can be very tricky to use, and that is because the percentage you're going to use is not fixed. It's actually based on the water and oil percentage, because if it is too little, your product will not emulsify as much, and if you use too much, your product is going to come out sticky. So you just have to find a perfect balance of percentage that works for your formulation. Now, this is the texture I have after blending the product so well. It looks like it's a bit thick, yeah, but by the time we're done with our active phase, the texture will loosen up a little bit. we have actually reserved certain percentage of water in order to dissolve our actives. This was why I specifically selected actives that are water soluble. You can go ahead and also select actives that are oil soluble, but ensure that they are active that can completely dissolve in oil without you having to use fire, or else it defeats the entire purpose of making a product without using fire, if you understand what I mean. You can feel free to tweak this formula as you please. This method as you please. Now, can you see that texture after mixing the entire product together? Oh my God, the camera is not doing justice to how beautiful this texture is. And as the product stays longer, the color becomes brighter until it becomes this beautiful white, or should I say creamy white color. And as you can see, the texture is heavenly. It is everything. This product is currently our best seller at Fabstouch. It contains 3 beautiful actives that not only repair the skin barrier, they also brighten the skin. They help to rejuvenate the skin, repair, brighten, clear out uneven tone, especially when combined with the best routine that will be recommended to you. So while pouring this product, we noticed that there were still some lumps here and there, and we want a very smooth textured product. So we had to pop the product back into the pan and then homogenize it for a little bit, just so all the lumps can be well dissolved. And when we were done, we got a even silkier, more pretty texture. We checked and balanced the pH, and we dished this for our customers. This product is not just available for the end users, it's also available for wholesalers, people that intend to buy in bulk. We dish into their preferred containers and sell. Just the way it has beautiful texture, it's even more beautiful on the skin, and it's very, very effective. And what's even better, it is NAFDAC approved. Kindly drop your questions in the comment section, or if you have any topic you want me to talk about, please talk to us in the comment section. We have 3 bestsellers currently at Fabstouch, and this is one of them. We just restocked another 250 pieces of Derma Bright. Please hurry up to our website to shop because it sells very fast.